Hi guys, I'm still in my little homestay out in the rice fields, and if you watched one of my previous videos on the Sweet Orange Walk, you'll have an idea where I am. I'm about a 10-minute walk out of the city. Now where I'm staying there are just 4 units at the moment, 2 down and 2 up. They're really cool little units, and at the moment the guy who owns the place, Johnny, is building 2 more, so you can probably just see out to the side there a blue cover, and that's covering the roof. There are 2 one-level units that he's building, and the one that I'm in faces the rice fields out this way, and the 2 behind are going to face the rice fields out the other way. They will also have little plunge pools, so you've got to give the guy credit. When I arrived and I saw reception here, I thought, holy crap, this is going to be scary. This room's going to be a bit scary. But what Johnny's quite smart. What he's done is he's got, eventually he'll have 6 rooms up and running to provide an income. And then what he's going to do is build a little house for his family and a reception area, so that when you arrive and you check in, there's something a little bit more stylish. But don't let the reception area deceive you. It is really cool. So the rooms are really cool. They're large, they're fresh, the linen's great. There are lots of power points to plug in your phone and drone and camera and sound system and batteries and so forth. So what I'm going to do now is head off just out about 5 minutes away. We're going to take you to the Sweet Orange Warung, and we're going to go and have breakfast and check out the price of breakfast. So come on, let's go. So they've actually got quite a selection on their menu. I'm just looking through it. They've got some great juices, and they're all around, where did I see the price? 30,000, $3 for a fresh juice. They've got smoothie bowls that are 45,000. I don't know if I feel like a smoothie bowl this morning. They're 45,000, and so that's 450. They've got coffee, Indonesian meals, which I had last night. I think I'm going to be really boring and have an omelette. So omelette with toast, sauteed vegetables, bacon, sausages, 45,000, $4.50 for my omelette. I'm going to have coffee. I might have coffee afterwards. So I think I'll have a fruit juice, coffee, and okay, so let's order that and see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to have a morning juice. I'm going to have a pagi. Then I'm going to have an omelette. Okay, and then I'm going to have coffee when you're finished. Balinese coffee? Yeah.
Anything else?
No, that's great, thank you.
And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know.
This is actually really tasty, and the omelette's got basil in it, which gives it that little extra bite. The fruit juice is really tasty. It's called morning or pagi fruit juice, and it has cucumber, ginger and lime. It's quite refreshing. I mean, it's not sweet, it's not sour, it's just in between. Cool.
Nice.
Thank you.
So how would you like to pay? Card or cash?
Yep, I'll pay on a card. So guys, my breakfast at the Sweet Orange Warung was 100,000 rupiah, which is $10. Okay, so for $10 I got that really refreshing fruit juice. I got my main, which was an omelette, which had bacon and sausages and a little bit of green, and my Balinese coffee, $10. Bargain.
And I know you're the one. Our stories just begun.